fellow roamers, I'm Frankie from FrankieRoamsFree. Today, I'm going to show you what I pack for a one-day solo trip to Salzburg, Austria, via the train. So, let's get into it. The first and most important thing is my little fanny pack. This, I have all of my important stuff in here. When I take the train, I put all of my train cards in there, so it's always right at hand. I carry this around me on my front, like this. So I always can have a hand on it, and then a backpack is on the back, so nobody can just like unbuckle the back and like take it from me. So I always have this right here, and my wallet and my phone go in here. Now I'm not taking my passport with me because I am a citizen of the European Union, and I do have a personal identification card, so an ID card with me for Germany. So I don't need to take a passport with me, but I am taking my American ID and my German ID, so I have two forms of ID. I am also not taking any kind of credit or debit cards or anything like that because everywhere in a lot of places in Europe, I'm not going to say everywhere, but a lot of places in Europe are totally okay paying with bar money, cash. So I'll just take cash in here, and I will have to be really, really careful with it. I'm also going to hide cash somewhere else. So that's something that I do personally. This is my Deuter Pace 28 SL. I have used this quite a bit so far. I really, really, really like it. It's perfect. In the front here, I have a rain cover. I have wipes, have another extra bag. On the side, I have my trusty Nalgene, and then inside will go my first aid kit, a personal hygiene / care bag, and in here I just have like toothpaste and deodorant and some other stuff like that. This is my clothes bag. I am preparing for cold weather. It's been really sad because the sun has only come out like a couple times so far, so this California girl is craving sunshine, so I'll hope for sunshine, but I'm not planning for it. So in here I just have some stuff for sleeping, some extra underwear, and some extra shirts. These are lights and extra, like flashlights and extra batteries. This I bought on the recommendation of Unjaded Jade. I love her YouTube channel and her as a person. I think she's really cool. It is a C2 Summit Reactor Thermolite sleeping bag liner. And I am going to be sleeping in a hostel in a 6-bed dorm. So I brought this just as an extra blanket if the sheets aren't enough or something like that. But per my experience with hostels, they're usually pretty okay, but just in case this one isn't, we'll be taking this one with me. I have my bag of pens and other chargers and some cables and cords and stuff. I have sunglasses, which I'll also put in. I have my journal, which it's going to be a 4-hour train ride, so I'm going to be writing a lot in here. And then I have another bag full of food and some more sick care stuff from when I was still sick. In the top, this is basically the same as what I packed for my trip. I have gum, I have lipstick, I have a period kit, and then I also have in the top here, I have another buff, I have more gum, I love gum, I have flashlight, and a quick wilderness first aid guide. So that is what I'm going to be taking with me when I go to Salzburg. Stay tuned for the next part of this journey. So I found my hostel. It's right next to a church. It's absolutely beautiful. It seems really clean so far. And there was another girl in here, and she was really nice. She's going to a music school. And so now I have like 3.5, 4 hours until I have to meet my friends. So I'm going to go explore. So I'm in the St. Peter Friedhof, the Peters Friedhof. That's the St. Peter's Cemetery, and it's gorgeous. This is one of the most beautiful cemeteries I've ever seen, and I go to a lot of cemeteries. So it was just, it's beautiful. And then I just went up the steps to the catacombs, so we'll see where that goes. We are at the top of the Salzburg fortress with the Austrian Alps in the background. It's beautiful. I'm inside the fortress, and in the background there you can see the Alps. It's so cool. Guys, I think I found my favorite place in the entire city of Salzburg, the Pferdeschwemme, or the horse baths. It's just paintings of horses.
And their fencing was not to actual code. And I didn't bother with my dog because my dog was
Sunday morning. I ended up spending the night at my friend's hotel instead of my hostel. It was very nice and I had a lot of fun. But now it's 10 till 9 and nothing is open. I'm hungry and there's nothing open. And it's a Sunday morning. And also there are marathon runners everywhere because there's a marathon happening through Salzburg. So wish me luck in finding food, guys. Well, I found a place that was open, good old Starbucks, but I'm gonna still try to search for a bakery. I just found that beautiful little cafe that's in the background there, and it's
along the river and the sun is shining, and I just sat there and journaled for like a long time, and it was beautiful. I had a little bit of breakfast, a little coffee, and it was really, really nice. I'm here at the river. It's beautiful. It's quite cold, and the color is also really interesting. I don't know, but I've seen like Austrian rivers or stuff, or bodies of water, and it's all the same color. But it is snow melt, and so it is quite cold, but it's actually really nice. This is where I'm very happy. So I think I'll end it here. This has been me, Frankie, in the beautiful, beautiful city of Salzburg in the country of Austria, and it has been a wonderful, wonderful trip. Bye!